This video introduces you to the solution size up or size down feature that is available in the FactoryTalk Motion Analyzer version 3 release. The solution size up or size down feature facilitates customization of selected components based on specific requirements. It also makes it easier to change the selected solution on the Axis Analysis page. You can download FactoryTalk Motion Analyzer from the Product Compatibility and Download Center at no cost. Let's begin by exploring the Armor Kinetics Distributed Servo Drives project. This project contains multiple axes to demonstrate various types of motion, including an Armor Kinetics Distributed Servo Motor Axis and more traditional motion axes. Let's open the General Motion Axis to Axis. In the architecture overview, the General Motion Axis 2 was modified from the original sample project to contain a gearbox. Scrolling down, you may notice that there hasn't been a solution search performed yet. Let's perform a solution search. The solution search provides a list of all possible solutions for the system. These solutions are based on the compatible drive, motor, and gearbox combinations for the given frame size and gear ratio. Let's select one of these solutions for our system. On the right side of the graph, you see the drive, motor, and gearbox combinations. Here we see that solution 2 of 72 is being displayed. The size up and size down can be performed utilizing the arrows on the left and right side of this bar. You can either size up or size down the system based on the solution. You also have the option to size up or size down individual components based on the family. You can check the next compatible motor, drive, or gearbox using the left and right arrows. If the solution returns a single match only, it will show a 1 of 1 and may show a warning message when trying to size up or size down. For more details on this, please visit the Help Content page within the software by navigating to Help, then Help Content. In both cases, the solutions that are displayed are based on the results of the solution search. Changing the solution will automatically recalculate the values that are displayed on the graph. To the left of the solutions, you will find the Apply and Revert buttons. The Apply button will change the selected solution to the currently displayed solution. The Revert button will revert to the original solution that is currently selected for the system. If you click Apply, the default solution will be set. The Revert button behavior will also go back to this newly selected solution. This brings us to the end of the Size Up, Size Down demonstration in FactoryTalk Motion Analyzer. In this video, you saw an overview of the Size Up, Size Down feature for a general motion axis. For additional information, please refer to the online help document located in the Help Content.